Welcome back to Art Is, where we explore the world of geometric art. Get ready to grab your pens and paper for some fun. Find the center of the paper. This is where your geometric masterpiece will come to life. Mark small lines at the top and bottom, precisely 146 millimeters from the center. These will be referred to as T and A, respectively. Now, draw a circle with a radius of 146 millimeters, perfectly centered on your paper. Mark points B and C on the circle using the same compass size you used to create the circle. Connect points B and C with a straight line, forming line BC. Locate the midpoint of line BC. This point, we'll call it O, will play a crucial role in the following steps. Adjust your compass to the size of the distance from O to B. With your compass set, mark 14 equidistant points along the circle's circumference. As we draw, I'm reminded of my own journey with shapes and lines. It's not just about finishing, it's about enjoying the process. Have you ever felt that way? Share your thoughts with us. Now, connect these marked points with straight lines, forming a polygon. Extend lines 13 centimeters from each corner of the polygon towards the center. Along the outer sides of the polygon, mark every 5 millimeters. Along the internal lines of the polygon, mark every 10 millimeters. Utilize the marked points to meticulously draw mesh patterns inside the polygon, adding intricate detail. Sequentially move one marked point aside as you continue to draw mesh lines on all sides of the polygon. With precision, continue drawing mesh lines until each side is adorned with geometric elegance. Finally, erase all marking points to reveal the stunning final geometric artwork, a testament to your patience and precision. And there you have it, a beautiful geometric masterpiece. If you like this video, remember to subscribe to Art Is for more fun tutorials. Don't forget to share with your friends and keep creating. Art Is, signing off.